Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another delicious recipe to share with you. Today we're making my take on an In-N-Out style burger. We're going to start prepping our potatoes into fries. Slice your potato on one side to stabilize it so we can get clean, even slices. Then we cut into even sized strips and place in a bowl with cold water while we're working on the rest of our potatoes. To get the crispiest fries, we're going right ahead and double frying these bad boys. Start off by preheating your oil to 250 degrees, making sure to not overcrowd your pot, so we're going to take our time and do it in batches. Let them go for 10 minutes for the first round of frying. Once we're done frying all of our batches, place them on a rack or a paper-lined baking sheet and set aside. Now we're going to dice our onions to begin caramelizing them. Place our onions in a small bowl and set aside. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. I definitely went a little overboard and heavy with the butter because I had some pretty big onions to work with. Once our butter is melted, we can go ahead and add our onions and season with a good pinch of salt and sugar. We're going to cook them down until they're nice and caramelized. Be patient with this process because it can take anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes, stirring occasionally. You can always add water once they get dry and start sticking to the pan. For an extra kick of flavor, we're gonna add a splash of balsamic vinegar as we turn off the heat. For my take on the famous In-N-Out spread, we're going to start by finely chopping 1/3 of a cup of fresh chives and set that aside in a small bowl. dice 2 dill pickles and set that aside in a small bowl. For the sauce, we're going to be whisking 1 cup of mayonnaise and a half cup of ketchup and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire in a small bowl until combined. Add our diced pickles and our chopped chives. Add about 2 tablespoons of our caramelized onions, or more if you want. I know traditionally, In-N-Out uses 2-ounce smashed patties in their burger, but I enjoy the bite and taste of a medium rare cooked 4-ounce patty, so that's what we're going to be using for this recipe. Let's start by preheating our cast iron over medium heat. Season the top side of our patty with salt and pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable or avocado oil in the skillet, followed by our patty, season side down. Don't forget to season the top side with salt and pepper. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Once we flip our patty, wait 2 minutes, add a slice of cheese, spread mayonnaise inside the buns, and toast till they're golden brown. While our patty is resting, let's finish off our fries by frying them for the second time. With the oil at 375, fry them for about 5 minutes or until they reach your desired crispiness. Season with salt as they come out of the hot oil. We're going to start building our animal style fries by placing a good handful in a baking dish. Add a couple slices of cheese, followed by our spread, and topped with more caramelized onions. Place inside broiler until cheese melts. Keep an eye on them. They don't need much time, about 1 to 2 minutes. We're finally ready to build our burger. Begin by adding spread to both buns and a thick slice of tomato, followed by some lettuce, and then our juicy patty, then topped with more caramelized onions, and finally our top bun. We're now ready to dig in and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this recipe. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment or suggestions on what you guys want to see next down below.